Grasshopper.app. Learn with fun, move through progressive challenge, lot more. एंड्रॉयड iOS के लिए है ये, और डेस्कटॉप पे चलाने का कोई सवाल नहीं उठता है. करिकुलम देख लो. फंडामेंटल्स, ड्राइंग शेप्स, वेरिएबल्स, सो ऑन. Fundamental 2, Introduction to Web Pages. Animations. This is where you have to sign in Grasshopper. Let's sign in mobile. First of all, you have to download it from Play Store. Let's wait. Okay, now open it. You can also start without signing in, but I'm going sign in with Google. Let's pick the Teched Gmail, and we are into it. Code with Google platform. So, कितना experience है? Some of you have no experience, some of have a lot of experience. So I am going to in between. 5 minutes और लेस पर डे लगाना है. डूलिंग जो करते हैं उनको ये भी पता होगा कि कंसिस्टेंसी द की जावास्क्रिप्ट क्या कर सकती है. Even Grasshopper itself built with JavaScript. So interesting fact. What will Grasshopper teach me? These are the things. So you can choose any of them. I'm just going from the for the first one. I want to develop games. Now these are the things which I have shown you in the desktop. These are the same things. So these are fundamental 2, and animation, then animation 2. Okay. Scalable vector graphics, JavaScript and all. Looks good. This is the certificate you are going to get. So that's a good thing. Let's start the coding. Okay. So this is a very basic thing. You have a simple solution. You have to make this kind of flag, and half of the flag is already made for you. You don't need to do write code right straight away. You can just click the draw box and choose any color respectively as they are showing what to do. So I'm just following up with them, and the interface is quite cool. If you are if you are using mobile for learning, then this is the perfect thing. Okay, so continue. I'm not going to get emails and all. Okay, so this is the second question. Now I know how to do this, so we can start it right away. So let's draw box and set yellow color, then new line, then draw blue box. Okay, thrice. Then let's run the code and we have done. So you have to do these small kind of tasks and collect daily bonus. So I have collected 10 points for coding today, and I have to go through all of them to complete my fundamentals. I wonder what they will do if I have chosen the I know much about coding option. So this is my dashboard, and all other things are logged for now. I don't know about this code playground, but I'm familiar with the solo learn platform. So this is how it look like. Anyways, you have to go through this all this, and you will definitely enjoy this. This is a grow with Google product, you can say, and much more things to learn. I haven't done any, so let me go through some of the more tasks, and that's all. You can also use Grasshopper if you are new to JavaScript and want to learn in fun and interactive way. Okay, let's see you in the next video and hope you like it, and share with your friends if your friend needs this. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe this channel for more such stuffs.